During this functional behavior assessment, I chose to interview the guardian of a 8th grade female student. The guardian is grandma, and she is the one who is living with the individual. The direct observations that I observed with the student was in her 8th grade English class. What I am classifying her conduct as is classroom avoidance, okay, which would be the functional behavior of escape. So this student often would come into the classroom. Right away she would ask, can I go to the bathroom? Can I get a drink? Can I go talk to the counselor? Can I leave and not be in this class? Is what she had said once. At that point, the teacher would let the student know, no, we need to take roll first, and then I can try to address your needs. When that was being said, then there would lead to traditionally a verbal confrontation with the student. Why are you making me stay here? Why are you making me do this? Why can't I leave? Why are you being mean to me? Different verbal prompts of that nature would come out. The student would then either sit down and continue the verbal comments until she was able to go get a drink, or able to go to the bathroom, or able to go see the counselor, or depending on the day, she would choose to just leave the class. So she would choose to escape. Okay. In talking to her grandma, before I addressed what I had observed, grandma let me know that when she's at home, she's defiant. When asked to do chores, when asked to take out the trash, when asked to help with cooking or anything of that nature, even when asked to do her homework, student would have a verbal confrontation with grandma. She would say the same things. I don't want to, I don't need to, I don't have homework, even though grandma had access to Infinite Campus and knew otherwise. When the agenda was pushed further, grandma said that it would lead to escape usually. She used other words, obviously, but she would say that she would run to her bedroom and shut the door. She would go outside and go hang out with friends, or she would find a way to escape the situation that she didn't want to be in. So what I learned about the behavior from my interview with grandma is that it is consistent in her life. This is something that we see in the classroom setting. This is something that is seen in the home setting. It is something that is also seen throughout the day. I did get feedback from our other teachers, and it doesn't just happen in our English class. It happens in other classes as well. I did talk to the at-risk counselor who she likes to spend time with, and he did address the fact that she has been in his office multiple times. She will come in and check in frequently with the at-risk counselor. So this is something that we are seeing consistently in her life. It's not just in one setting, but in many. So I would classify that as her escape mechanism and an observation of classroom avoidance in the school setting.